Based on the IZOD principle, the skid resistance tester provides an indication of the skid resistance value on the graduated engraved scale, which corresponds to the coefficient of friction times 100. The instrument is necessary for utilization at design stage, during maintenance, and for investigation at time of accidents. Perform zeroing of the instrument. Set the pendulum height, ensuring contact with the surface. Press the release button and catch the arm on its return swing before the slider touches the floor surface. Record the reading indicated by the pointer. Repeat up to 5 times for averaging.